Good morning, students. Living and non-living things. You know them very well. Look at this sparrow, mushroom, plants. Living things. What are living things? We are surrounded by living things and non-living things. The main difference between living and non-living things is life. See, I am talking. Me, Nazabit, I am talking because I am alive. I have life. You're watching this video because you are alive. You have life. Now, examples of living things are all animals and plants are living things. Examples of non-living things like sunlight, temperature, water, air, wind, rocks and soil. Let's do the activity. Can you find living things in the park shown in the picture below? Picture above? Oh yes, duck is living thing. Yes. Boys are living. Trees are living. Aunt and uncle are living. Living things respire, reproduce, move, respond to stimuli, and take food. These are the characteristics of living things. Living things are alive. Living things need air, water and light to grow and get energy. Living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during breathing. Now this point we have to study. You have studied what are the characteristics of living things. Living things respire, need food, grow, move, respond to stimuli, excrete waste and reproduce. Let's study today respiration. Respiration is all plants and animals use oxygen from air to help turn their food into energy. See, whatever you have eaten in your breakfast, lunch, meal, it is broken down by oxygen. It is broken down, food is broken down by oxygen. How we get oxygen? We get oxygen from nose. Okay? Other organisms get oxygen from their skin. We will study in detail. Plants get oxygen from the stomata. They have pores in their underside of leaves and other structures. Okay. When oxygen is taken in, it combines with the food. What is sugar? Sugar is the food. Oxygen plus sugar, they undergo respiration and give us energy, water and carbon dioxide. We remove this carbon dioxide, we exhale this carbon dioxide out of our body through mouth or nose. So, have we studied respiration? What is respiration? It's the process of breaking down food in the presence of oxygen to get energy. What is respiration? Respiration is the process, cellular respiration is the process in which we break down food in the presence of oxygen to get energy. Okay? Characteristics of living things. Living things respire, take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, they break down their food with the help of oxygen and get energy. Second distinguishing property of living thing is they give birth to young ones, whether they are plants, grow baby plants, or whether they are animals and give babies. Third property is growth. They increase in size and weight. Fourth property is movement. They move to get food, water, shelter and to avoid danger. Fifth property is excretion of waste. All living things produce waste. You would have seen this signal, this sign in the malls. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Sixth property is respond to stimuli. They react to things around them, what is happening in their environment. And seventh property is they take in nutrients. Means they take food. But in plants, they take air, carbon dioxide, water, and they make their food by themselves. Junior scientist's quest is, look at this candle. Is it living or non-living thing? Candle is a non-living thing as it cannot move, grow, respire, and reproduce. These are the key points. You have to learn all these key points. You can pause this video to write this answer. Now match these columns. To get energy by eating different plants and animals called nutrition. Number 2, to move from one place to another is movement. To produce and remove waste material, excretion. To take in oxygen, respiration. And to give to new ones, reproduction. Number 3 is identify the process. The answer is very clear, growth. The reason is the kid is passing through different stages of life. Question number 4 is, list the 7 characteristics of living things. Living things respire, need food, grow, move, respond to stimuli, excrete, waste, and reproduce. Now, what plants and animals need? Plants need air, water, and sunlight, while animals also need food to survive. Pause this video to write these answers. Animals move from place to place. Why they move? Because they are in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. So kids, you can write these answers by pausing the video. Okay, now question is, what is the one important thing plants can do but animals can't? Plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animals can't make their food. So that's enough for today. Kindly subscribe my channel too. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.